ambition is the type of car that you keep a bad bitch in. I don't got good vision, but I don't see competition.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. So yes, I'm so excited to see you guys again. So yeah, today is going to be a lit video because I'm going to show you guys my business room. Now of course you can see it, you know, behind me or whatever, but girl, I gotta give y'all the angles. You know, I gotta give you with the lights off and with the lights on. You know, I gotta hit you with the right corner to the left corner. This is episode 1 of CEO Doll Life. This is gonna be my entrepreneur series because I want to make other videos other than entrepreneurship on my channel as well. So this series is gonna be all about entrepreneurship, getting into the bag. I'm an entrepreneur. How you doing? So I should. Oh, and make sure you check out my website, or at least follow Anna Doll's Vault on Instagram, because honey, this is where the magic happens. Okay, so yeah, make sure you do that, y'all, and also follow me on my main Instagram, Anna_doll. You feel me? Excuse me, ring light. Okay guys, so right when you come in, I have my wardrobe rack here. And these are some fire new designs that I've been working on. So this is the set. This is my velvet velour. It's either velvet or velour. Yeah, but this is the set. Putting some crop pants. And over here is my little wall here. Print out some pictures of myself. And but yeah, these are like some of my favorite like outfits so far with my business. So this paper I printed out around the time when I first started my brand. This was around October 2019, and I first started off by post my stuff on Facebook, and I made this caption. Y'all guys can read it because I'm not. I got so much love in this, and the shares is what took me off. If y'all know anything about Facebook, or like, you know, like it's really hard to blow up on Facebook. Like if that's real people on Facebook, not no bots or nothing on Instagram. This is real people, you feel me? And I did not expect it at all this day. Then we got India Royale. The first so much. She was like the first, listen, she's the first and the only, okay, most poppin' female that wore my clothing. So I really appreciate that. I am looking forward to working on her in the future, you know, once I make some more fire. But yeah, that's a photo shoot I did. That's in my photo studio. We got Kelly. You already know. Let's take a step back, and this wall right here, I put quotes on these walls because these quotes is what I need to hear every day. You know, it just helps, you know. Don't quit, she need a hero, think positive, work hard. I just think this is so healthy and just so fun to just have quotes that keep you going in a space that you're working in. Then over here, I got this plant from Walmart, and then I got my little shelf rack. This is where I will be keeping my inventory and stuff like that. As you can see, it's not that full. Got a lot more to go, and I literally just ordered a whole lot of inventory from my vendor, and it's taking a long ass time to get here. But yeah, so how I package my products is these bags I get from Manhattan. There's a man who sells these like 100 for $20. Yeah, so this is one of my sets. So on the left corner, I'll label it small/medium, or whatever the size is, to help me, you know, what size it is. Because I don't want to keep any clothes like out in the open. I don't want it to get dusty, none of that. I do custom make everything myself, so I'm basically going to be custom making like on demand. Like once I get the products, I'm gonna custom make them, and then boom, stock them up. And then that's why my website says this product is in stock. It'll be shipped the same day or the next business day, because I already made it. And I already custom made all my products before putting them to sale. And this is the orange set. Like this is so fire, y'all, too. I'm actually sending this to someone, and it's a puff wording, and it's just so cute, like very much summer vibes. And these are my rhinestone shorts, so I packaged them. And over here is just some shorts for my Ari doll set, and the t-shirts I pre-ordered. Then next over here, not the brush, sweetie. So next over here we have my heat press machine. A lot of y'all been asking what type of heat press I use. It's called Promo Heat. It's kind of old, y'all. Like it's still dusty. I wiped it off, but I had this heat press for a while. Mom actually gave me this. So then I have my take notes book here, my thank you cards right there. And the reason I have a t-shirt inside of my heat press, because sometimes the heat press don't go down all the way on the product, so I like to put the shirt over here to give that extra support, that extra lift, so everything can be on correctly. Now we have my vinyl box where I just have different color vinyl, and then we got my shipping packages. I'm using a priority mailers because they're easy, and plus I was tired of spending like $30 on Amazon for mailers. Like I just got tired of it when this is free, and I literally do the same mail method. Like I don't have to change anything. All my orders are shipped with priority mail. There's just some extra bags here for my clothing. Then over here we got some totes, and then we got this dumb ass heat press from Michaels. Then we got that green paper over there. Okay, y'all, so let me explain to you why this heat press right here from Michaels is dusty. So first and foremost, it stopped working on me. This was like a good heat press for traveling, like when I travel, whatever, I can still work. But it stopped working on me, and I looked up the reviews, and they said it had a lot of problems with the whole thing just shutting off. So yeah, but they said something about how you can reboot it on your computer and it comes back on. I haven't tried it yet. I'll keep you guys updated. Zoomed out, y'all. Like I totally love it. It's small, but it's spacious, and I like that like minimalistic vibe. I don't like too much going on. Okay, y'all, so that was the little tour. That's the little tour. I really love this room, y'all. Like I really love this room. I'm probably deciding on filling like this whole wall up with pictures. Let's talk about inventory. Should you keep items in stock, or should you pre-order? Now I feel like this should go based off the popularity of your items. If something is hot selling, if something is always selling the most, definitely keep that in stock, okay? Keep it in stock so you can just boom, ship it and go. And also, it's more profit. Yes, you guys, when you pre-order products, in my opinion, I don't really see how you would make that much profit otherwise than having it in stock. But it's all up to you how you budget your money and so on. So like for my sweatsuits, of course that's gonna be pre-order. I am still getting a few orders for sweatsuits. Also, if you have a clothing line, make sure to keep up your winter clothing also. You can put it on sale or whatever. Let me tell you this, you know how they always say, oh, you get winter clothes in the summer, it's cheap. You get summer clothes in the winter, it's cheap. So yeah, y'all, do that and put them on sale, or just keep them there. Sometimes when it gets warm, it's just hard to find any winter stuff, literally. This is on my website, and they are on pre-order, so they will ship within 2 to 3 business days. I literally get them the next day. Now, I want to talk about this stock inventory. So, where should I stock my products? If I'm a beginner, if I'm a pro, whatever type of entrepreneur level you're on, okay? And I want to mention that there's no levels. We're all equal. We are all stunning. We are all iconic. Should I stock my inventory is a question you may be asking. Now, this is all based on your situation, your environment, your money, personal preference as well. So say, you know, you still live with your parents or whatever, or you're young and you don't really have that much like rooms in your house, or like, you know, that much free any type of space. You can. I want to move back now because I like my belly piercing. Either way, y'all, whatever you guys do, whatever you guys decide, it is your decision, okay? A lot of people might want warehouses. A lot of people work from home. The best entrepreneurs work from home, y'all. Ain't nobody first started a business and be like, God damn it, I need to get me a goddamn warehouse, a goddamn barn. Nobody said that. So, you know, don't feel like it's a rush to do this, it's a rush to do that. It's not, honey. Like, we're in a pandemic. We're in a pandemic. Ain't no such thing as competition anymore. So yeah, a lot of the best entrepreneurs work from home. Warehouse, a storefront, that is all of my dream. I still haven't had my first pop-up shop yet. Yes, I will be doing that very soon, okay? I just want everything to be perfect. I want it to be like, y'all know how them fancy, like, damn, what's that show? It was like My Best Sweet 16. I want to go all out like that for my pop-up shop. I'm talking about chocolate fountain. I'm talking about a photo booth, like elephants. Yes, I need it. I want it. Okay, y'all. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, y'all. I really hope you guys enjoy. And if you have any questions about any products or anything, enjoy this video, any questions, feel free to let me know down below. And yeah, episode 2 is coming, and it's coming for sure, honey. But I got some content, and I'm ready to do some content for y'all. Y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next video.